site. Here you can see the slogan, bounce balls with your microphone, a fun way to manage classroom noise or visualize music. So I'll be showing some features on the website. Click begin bouncing. From here you can turn on the microphone by clicking it. And now as you can see, as I talk, the balls start bouncing. Gives you the warning too noisy based off your sensitivity, which right now is set all the way up. If I turn that down, it means I can still talk and they won't bounce nearly as high and I won't get the warning. Here's the slider that you can change the number of balls on the screen all the way up to 150. So this is what 150 looks like when they bounce. Yeah, it's like that. You can turn it all the way down to 25, and then it's only a few, some big and some are small. You can also adjust the theme. So this is the plastic theme. You can change it to emojis. These are the emojis. Bounce works the same. You can do bubbles. Bubbles is different because when you're quiet, they'll go to the top instead of the bottom and they bounce down. So that's the unique one. And then you can do eyeballs. Again, basically the same thing. So here you can see the eyeballs are all bouncing. They're all different colors. It's very, very fun. You can also grab an individual ball if you want. I don't know why you would want to do this, but you can. Drop it again. And then here you can adjust whether or not there's noise alerts, beep, shush, no sound. Those are the different options for that. And then you can easily, without closing out of the website, you can just mute it and it won't bounce and I'm still talking. So you can see that that's ideal. Or you can unmute it and it goes right back. And then again, this is sensitivity high, it'll shush you. So yeah, so this is about all the functionality. You can use this to obviously keep a classroom at a certain volume so they're not too loud, or you can use it to play a song and the balls will bounce along with the music. So those are the two main functions, and that's the tour of the Bouncy Balls website.